Today we present the features and functions of our 9040 D-2.5 cable reel. The HAZET Cable Reel 9040 D-2.5 makes working with electronic devices in closed spaces not only safer but more comfortable too. It is equipped with a 3x2.5 square millimeter cable designed for a voltage of 230 volts. The large cross-section of 2.5 millimeters squared ensures that, in comparison with standard 1.5 millimeter squared cables, you can use more powerful devices without running the risk of overloading the cable. Thanks to the integrated drill template on the packaging, the housing can be quickly and easily installed. The cable reel minimizes the risk of tripping and accidents due to cables lying around. The cable is reeled in automatically and deliberately restricted so that nobody is injured by the cable thrashing around. The 9040 D-2.5 cable reel also allows you to avoid annoying cable tangles. The special plastic housing is securely positioned but remains flexible thanks to a swiveling mounting bracket. The 20-meter cable length is ideal to cover your work area. The stop at any point feature makes the cable reel particularly practical and flexible. It allows you to extend the cable to the required length and secure it quickly and easily. The long cable has a loading capacity of 1,600 watts when coiled. If the cable is uncoiled completely, it can handle up to 3,200 watts. The 9040 D-2.5 cable reel is also equipped with a circuit breaker, which protects the cable from overloading and overheating. If the circuit breaker is activated, it can be reset by pressing the red button above the HAZET logo. Flexible power supply for your electronic devices. Not a problem with the HAZET 9040 D-2.5 cable reel.